Hi friends, it's FirearmPop here, and this is an unboxing. I won a contest, Gunnut226 1000 sub contest, and I just received my prize. Okay, and what it is a 511 Tactical Series Tyranny knife. This is says 10/8, 3.4 spear point, 4.9 closed, 8.3 inches open, 154 centimeter blade steel, G10 handle, and liner lock. Okay, the box took a hit on transportation, but that's to be expected. And here's the knife. And it also comes with a wrench to undo, I guess, to change the position of the belt clip. Okay, but I don't know how well you can see. It says Tyranny knife series. It feels good. It's nice and light, and it opens nicely, easily. It does have a liner lock, okay, and it's a nice knife. Feels good and comfortable in the hand. It's got jimping here for your thumb, and even on the blade itself. So you have plenty of jimping room here for your thumb. But with your first finger here and that here, there's plenty of power on that. Again, it says 511. This is 154 cm. It's made in Taiwan, but it looks like a cool knife. Thank you, Gunnut226, and I'm going to add this to my EDC. Tactical 511. Okay, so you can friend me on Facebook at FirearmPop. You can find me on the web at FirearmPop.com. And as always, this is FirearmPop. Be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.